So I'm sure you guys know at this point that the OnePlus 6 is going to be launching very soon. In fact, there's going to be a whole launch event. I have the official invite in front of me. Look at this. The speed you need OnePlus 6 launch. This looks like a very special invitation. So let me go ahead and take a peek. Oh my goodness, what is this? Ooh, is that glass? It is. What are they trying to tell us? It's a mirror, a OnePlus 6 mirror. May 16th in London, I will be there. I will be experiencing the device firsthand. In fact, I got a little backstory here. I was able to see the device in production, which was amazing for me, a tech enthusiast, someone who's so into this stuff. I had the chance to travel to China, to the production facility to see the OnePlus 6 being made, and I'm gonna have a video about it coming up very shortly. So here's the thing, it's all very exciting. You know I'm gonna share everything there is to share about the device, but I'm gonna share a little bit more. I'm gonna share an actual device with one of you. This is the first time I think this has been done, a OnePlus 6 giveaway, collaboration between myself and OnePlus for one of you guys to be one of the first people in the world to get the device. In fact, it'll show up at your doorstep on the 21st before anyone else. That's right, May 21st. This is international, could be any one of you. You could get the same privilege that I get. You could have the OnePlus 6 before anyone else. All right, so what do you need to do? It's not very much. Just make sure you're following myself and OnePlus on social media, Twitter, Instagram, even better, why not both? And then head down to the description of this video. There's a quick little form there, and that's it. You're entered. Don't you want to be one of the first people on the planet to get your hands on the latest and greatest from OnePlus? I think you do. Thanks to them for making this possible. And hey, I'll see you guys in London. Where's this lens when I need one?